Let the sun shine in, the sun shining. The song that just started playing. Second I start singing, Lola brings a toy. But anyway, let's go. Today is clean out the kitchen and fridge day. No shopping, no excuses. We're using what we already have until it's gone. Remember, work smarter, not harder. And you already know when I'm in the kitchen, we're learning, we're eating good, and we're raising our frequency all at the same time. This is never just food. Food is medicine, and food is frequency. And I'm here to inspire you to get into your kitchen. Have fun, experiment, all while raising your frequency. Let's unplug from the system and tap into self. So originally I wanted to make Piyaz, Turkish Piyaz. If you don't know what that is, it's just a bean salad, onion, parsley, lemon, olive oil, garlic. It's light, clean, nourishing, super simple. It was one of my favorites growing up. Obviously, some inner child craving going on. If you didn't check out my post on food cravings, check that one out. Otherwise, let's get into this because I'm making a hybrid salad here. I wanted potato salad too. So why not remix the recipes into one like a freaking DJ mixes songs? We're here to have fun. This time I'm not using mayo because summer bodies are created in the kitchen now. So let's get into a rundown of the ingredients. I already shared what I was going to be using. So red kidneys, that's root chakra, grounding, state, safety, stability, keeps you in your body and not scattered. Red onion, sacral and throat, emotional detox, releases, moves, stuck feelings, any stuck static energy within you. It opens expression. Scallions, heart and throat chakra, gentle clearing, balance, resets without shocking the system. Jalapeño, solar plexus root activation, and also being it's green, it's a little heart there. But fire, confidence, it ignites motivation, burns stagnation, strengthens personal power and drive. Garlic, solar plexus, crown protection, strength, purification, gets rid of parasites and energy vampires. Just saying. Lemon, solar plexus, third eye, clarity, activation. Wake up energy, cuts mental and emotional fog. Olive oil, third eye, crown wisdom, brain fuel, intuition, supports downloads and insights. Sea salt, it clears all the chakras. It's an energy conductor. Balance, regulate your electrical system. Celery, heart, third eye, nervous system healer, calming, cools, overstimulation. And potatoes, root chakra, grounding, comfort, safety, earth medicine. No mayo, even though I like it. But anyway, parsley, heart, solar plexus, detox, body cleanser, energy clearer, removes old residue in your system. What the bowl does: root, stable, sacral, clear, solar, confident, heart, balance, third eye, intuitive, crown, protected. This isn't just food, it's grounding, protection, clarity, detox, and alignment all in one fucking bowl. Already got the red onion in here, the grated garlic, the celery, the scallions. And if you know me, work smarter, not harder. So, I'm going to use the jalapeno and my ever so favorite guacamole later. So I'm going to put some of these jalapenos in here, give or take, depending on the size. It looks like a quarter cup dice. I'm going to throw in my potatoes. Full recipe is going to be in the captions. I boiled these potatoes, drained them, and threw it back into the hot pot so the extra liquid evaporates. We got the red kidney beans, all the kids in the freaking pool at this point in time. Half a cup of chopped parsley. Automatic detox right there. And I'm going to use the juice of 2 fresh lemons. For seasoning, salt, sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper, smoked paprika, because we cook with flavor. And I looked down, it was 420 on that timer. This morning 420, like, come on, man. I hope this inspires you to get into your kitchen and get cooking for yourself, because the fastest way to tap into self and raise your frequency is to cook for yourself. Like, think about it. Do you see fresh herbs in any fast food or any chain restaurants? No, they serve you dead food because they want to keep you low vibrational. Let's raise that shit. Raise the roof, baby.